Hey everybody! Do you want to learn how to connect better with your clients and have them value your photography more and worry less about what your price is? My name is Dave Moss, and you can catch me on July 5th at the Capturing WOW Global Summit, the world's premier online conference for photographers and filmmakers. I'm a wedding photographer and business coach based out of Alberta, Canada, and I will be teaching you all about the principles of value marketing, how to connect and communicate effectively with your potential clients. After my talk, you'll be able to communicate the true value of your photography so much more effectively through your website, your social media, and in your in-person meetings with potential clients. We'll dig deep in how you can be a problem solver for these people and how you can help them understand that hiring a photographer is so much more than just pretty photos. You want to connect with them on an emotional and psychological level and let them know that you are there to support them in whatever it is they're looking for, whether it's wedding photography or commercial photography, family photography, or videography. So log on to www.capturingwow.com for more details, and I will see you at the summit.